In this video, we'll demonstrate how to mute Discord audio in OBS Studio. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to control Discord audio in your OBS recordings, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Have you ever wanted to mute Discord audio in your OBS Studio recordings? Whether you're looking to focus on specific sounds or create a more polished recording, I've got you covered. Stay tuned, and I'll guide you through the process. Now, there are a couple of methods to achieve this. The first is by disabling desktop audio entirely. However, keep in mind that this will mute all desktop sounds, including game audio. To do this, drag the desktop audio slider all the way down. But what if you still want to capture audio from specific applications like the game you're playing or some background music? Well, in that case, you'll want to keep desktop audio turned off and add audio inputs to your sources. To achieve this, click on the plus button in Sources and select Application Audio Capture. This allows you to capture the audio of specific applications. Tap OK, choose the window you want to capture audio from, ensure the application is open, and press OK again. For instance, if you want to capture audio from Spotify, select it and click OK. Now, you'll see it appearing in your sources, and it captures the audio independently of desktop audio. It's important to note that Discord won't be captured using this method, since it specifically captures the audio of the selected application. However, you can add multiple applications this way, adjusting sound levels independently. By following these steps, you can easily control Discord audio and other application sounds in OBS Studio, providing you with more flexibility in your recordings. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For additional tutorials and OBS Studio tips, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.